Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to skyrocket your Snap score? Follow these simple tricks to boost it insanely fast. First of all, check your current Snap score. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, and you will see your score right below your name. Tap on it to view your sent and received snaps. Your Snap score increases with every snap you send. So make snapping your friends a daily habit. And remember, your first snap after a break gives you 6 extra points. Want an instant boost? Send snaps to multiple friends at once. If you snap 10 people, you will get 10 to 11 points in one go. Don't leave your snaps unopened. You get a point for every snap you open. So keep your inbox clear. Chats don't count. Instead of sending direct messages, reply with a snap to keep your score climbing. Every snap you add to your story earns you a point. So keep your story active with fun snaps. Adding friends can sometimes boost your score. Accept requests and grow your Snap network. And that's how you boost your Snap score insanely fast. Try these tricks today and watch your score soar. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.